Poems 5 and 7, the kissing poems. My lesbia, let us live and let us love, and let us value the gossip of the rather severe old men as just one penny, or os. Suns are able to set and return, but once our brief light has fallen for us, night is one perpetual thing that ought to be slept. So, give me give me 1,000 kisses, then 100, then another 1,000, then another 100, and then another 1,000, and another 100. Then, when after we've made many thousands, we will confuse them all, lest we know, or lest some evil person be able to curse us when he knows how many kisses there are. And point 7, the impossibility of Catullus ever being satisfied. You ask, Lesbia, how many of your kisses are enough for me? Well, the answer to that is as great a number of Libyan sands that lie in Sophium-bearing Cyrene, between the oracle of steamy Jupiter and the sacred temple of ancient Battus. Or, however many stars there are when the night is silent, stars that look upon the secret love of men, of people. So that is, to kiss you that many kisses is enough, and more than enough for crazy Catullus. Kisses which the busybodies should not be able to count nor to curse with evil language or tongue.